Hello everyone, in this video we are going to learn about how to create an Iron Man mask in Solidworks. So I already have created its subparts and let's start. So in this video I'm just going to show you that how to create Iron Man mask. So first of all we have to create a sketch as shown and give dimensions to it. Radius from the center of the line 93 mm and its width 74.99. And now exit from the sketch. We have to revolve the sketch about its center line up to 180 degree. And next feature is Extrude Cut. So draw a sketch from any plane. You can also select its face or center plane. So I am just showing you its dimensions and how to create sketch. Define its angle and length also. One 20 degree and again 45 degree and angle between these two lines is 90 degree and length of the line is 25 mm. And again exit from the sketch and extrude cut this sketch through all, and again extrude cut the sketch. Take the plane or select any face on which you want to draw sketch, and always draw a sketch from the origin and define its degree between two lines 16.16 and keep relation between the line and the face tangent. And extrude cut through all. So now we are going to apply chamfer on the edge of 5 mm at 45 degree angle. Click on OK. After that we are going to shell the body. So select the faces which you want to remove and give thickness up to 2 mm. If you want to look its preview, then click on show preview and click on OK. All the unnecessary walls are removed now. And again extrude both its edges. Draw a sketch. Define its dimensions and its angle between the lines, and extrude it up to surface or up to 2 mm thickness. You can also mirror this feature or extrude both from the other side. Again draw same sketch and extrude both it up to 2 mm. So this is the first part, and begin the second part again. So again revolve the sketch about the center line. Define its dimension as the TV sketch and revolve it up to 180 degree from the center of the line. Now again extrude cut the body. And define its dimension and length and angles. Define its width 100 mm and again angle 90 degree and height of 200 mm and extrude cut it through all, and again draw a sketch from its base as same as the face. You can also create this sketch by through convert entities or extrude boss it up to 0.22 mm. Click on OK and again extrude boss. So draw a sketch. You can draw a sketch through selecting any plane or by single click on any face and click on sketch. So define its length, angle between both two lines, and its width 30 mm and extrude boss it up to a height of 100 mm. Click on OK. Now we are going to produce a cut through revolve cut command. So draw a sketch and draw a radius of 165 and define its distance from the origin as 72 mm. And again draw a radius of 165 mm from the origin and define its width 110 mm and draw a center line from the origin to revolve the sketch. So revolve cut the sketch through 360 degree. So it's remove the extra face and again extrude cut. By clicking on smart dimension, I'm going to define its dimensions. Its length, width, height and angles also. Extrude cut the sketch from the through wall of the body and again produce a revolve cut. Select the plane size from the origin source and keep it normal. Draw a radius of 165 mm from the origin. And again draw a radius of 165 mm and define its distance from this origin as 74 mm, its width, and again a revolve cut this sketch up to 90 degree. From the center line, draw a center line from the origin to revolve cut the body. And again extrude cut, draw a circle of 50 mm dia and define its width from the center is 28 mm and extrude cut it through all. Now at the end we are going to shell the body. So select the faces which you want to remove and give thickness of 2 mm and shell the whole body. This is the head side of Iron Man mask, and let's begin the third part. Draw a sketch and extrude boss it define its dimensions 100 mm and its width, and radius of 23 mm, and again draw an arc of 87 mm from the origin. And exit from the sketch and extrude boss. The sketch up to 90 mm. Click on OK. So again we are going to extrude cut. For this we have to draw a sketch. Select side and draw sketch. It defines its length and angle between two lines is 15 degree, and its length of 28.91 mm and its length of 27.72. Draw a straight line and with the help of angle 120 degree, and its height from the baseline, and again draw a curve of 20 mm. Define its height from the baseline as 28.52 mm, and keep relation between them tangent, and exit from the sketch and extrude cut it through all. And again select any plane, or you can also click on face, keep it normal, and draw a sketch and define its dimensions 30 mm and its height of 10.05 mm, and angle between the lines is 149.55 degree. Same as you can mirror the sketch or draw sketch with the reference of center line and extrude cut it through all the body. This is the front side of mask, and again extrude cut the body. For this we have to create a sketch. So select any plane and draw a sketch and give dimension to it. Define angle between both lines is 45 degree, and distance of the upper line from the baseline is 5 mm. And exit from the sketch and extrude cut it through all the body. Now shell the body. This select the faces which you want to remove and give thickness of 2 mm and click on OK. Now again extrude boss, draw a sketch on the edge, both side 15 mm. Draw arc equal to the face and extrude it to 17.68 mm and click on OK and apply fillet on the edges of 15 mm and again click on OK. Now choose another plane and draw a sketch. Define its dimensions as 40 mm and height from the base is 16.50 mm. Also define its angle as 215 degree. And the edge height from the base is 15.68 mm. angle between the line is 145 degree, and define its width of 5 mm. Click on OK and exit from the sketch. Extrude cut it offset from the surface. For this, select any face, but keep in mind the face have a single face in which you want to offset the surface. You can only extrude cut offset from the surface on a single face. So extrude cut it up to 1 mm offset from the surface, and click on reverse offset and translate surface. Now again extrude cut the body. On same plane, define its dimension of 1 mm and its height of 5 mm, and extrude cut it through all. And take a center plane and mirror the extrude cut feature. And now next part, draw a sketch and extrude base it. Define its dimensions 50 mm and its radius of 87. Define its distance from the origin is 56.46 mm. And extrude boss it up to 20 mm. Now draw a sketch and extrude cut it. Press space bar to keep the normal sketch. Define its dimension and its angle between the line is 135 degree, and extrude cut it through all. Now again extrude boss. Click on page and keep it normal, and give dimension is 26 mm and radius of 87 mm. And width of 2 mm, and from the center it's 13 mm. And extrude boss it up to 4 mm from the surface, and apply a chamfer on the both edges of 4 mm at 45 degree. Draw a sketch at the mid plane and give its dimensions is 109.70 and 42.68 mm. 20 mm, and its angle is 161.87 degree. And width of 15 mm, and again angle of 176.90, and having length of 61.02 mm. And extrude both the sketch from the mid plane is 110 mm both side, and click on OK. And again draw a sketch of height 61.02 and angle is 48 degree, and again draw an angle is 38.50 and arc length of 19.90 mm. And having height of 28.40. from the baseline. Define the sketch and its dimensions, and again extrude is up to the body, and again draw extrude cut from the base side. So keep the base normal and draw again a sketch of width 30 mm both sides. Height of 81.3 mm and having angle of 149.55 degree. Now exit from this sketch and extrude cut it through all. Or up to height of 110 mm. And shell the body. So select the face which you want to remove and give thickness of 2 mm. Click on OK. Now the next part is draw a sketch and define its dimension is 110 mm width and 93 mm arc, and define its length from the origin is 20 mm and 54.9 mm, and exit and revolve it about its center line up to 90 degree, and again revolve the sketch. Draw a sketch from its base side. Define its dimensions as 60 mm from the origin and having an arc of 109.77 mm and 20 mm far from the origin, and total width is 110 mm. Again revolve the body to 110 degree from its center line. Extrude boss. Again draw a sketch from its base side of length 50 mm and width is 10 mm, and keep placing tangent with the face. Now exit and extrude boss it up to height of 15 mm in upward direction. Now sweep cut the body. So for this we have to draw path and profile. So first we have to draw profile. Define its length is 66.25 mm and draw an arc. Define its degree is 30.75 and arc is equal to the face, and draw its path. So having length of 90 mm and degree of 15 from the edge, make relation coincident. And sweep cut the body with path and profile. Click on OK, and now mirror the body on the opposite side. Now shell the body. So select the faces which you want to remove. Here we take the internal faces and give thickness of 2 mm and shell the body. Now again we have extrude boss. So draw a circle having dia 60 and its origin distance is 15.42 mm and apply fillet on the outer edge of 5 mm and OK, and again mirror the body. Select both the extrude boss and fillet feature. Now again extrude cut. So draw an circle of 15 mm dia and draw an arc from its origin having length 29.09 and draw a circle of 2 mm and circle pattern it. Select feature and select the circle edge. So now we are going to assemble the parts. So open an assembly and click on insert components and browse your file where you have to save. Open the file location. And select the parts and click on open. Now draw all the parts in the assembly. One by one. And click on rotate component, the rotation or movement of the component. Okay, so now we are going to assemble. So select face and click on mate. And keep it in constant position. Now select edge and another edge and keep it coincident. Now click on OK. Now again click on rotate component and OK, and move the component with the help of cursor. Again select the face and base side and keep it coincident or parallel to the face. Click on OK. It's automatically define its mate. Sometimes we need to select the mate. So again select arc and another arc and keep it concentric. Okay. Now select its edge, fix one body and move the another body. Now click on mate, select its base and its upper side and make it coincident. Now again select the edge and the next one edge. Keep the body in float from the fixed position. Select its base and the body edge, and again make it coincident. Select the leading edge and the another part edge, and both make it coincident. Now this is our complete assembly of Iron Man mask. From here you can change its view property. So this is the assembly of Iron Man mask.